Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Unity and create a new scene with a canvas set to screen space overlay. Make sure Event System appears automatically for input handling and keep canvas scale at 1 for consistent sizing. Create a full screen panel and set its rect to 1920 by 1080 to design in a reference resolution. Add 3 UI buttons and position them anchored to center. Space the buttons by 200 pixels vertically to create clear separation. Name buttons Start, Options, and Quit for clear intent and scripting later. Save the scene as Start Menu Scene to avoid data loss. Create a new C# script named Start Menu Controller and open it in your editor. Add public methods Start Game, Open Options, and Quit Game to expose them to the inspector. Inside Start Game, call Scene Manager. Load Scene, Game Scene with using Unity Engine. Scene Management at top. In Quit Game, call Application. Quit, and include a debug log for editor testing. Attach the script to an empty game object named Menu Controller in the scene. In the button on Click Events, drag Menu Controller and select the matching public methods. Test each button in play mode to confirm expected. Improve the menu by adding a canvas group component and an animator for fade effects. Create an animation that changes alpha from 0 to 1 over 1 second for smooth transitions. Hook the animator to call Start Game after the fade completes using an animation event. Implement keyboard shortcuts in Update to accept Enter for start and Escape for quit for accessibility. Test input across mouse, keyboard, and gamepad to ensure all can navigate. Finally, set player settings default resolution to 1920 by 1080 and build your target platform to produce a runnable executable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.